Combining logarithms. All right. In previous video, we talked about expanding logarithms. That was turning it into several pieces, turning one single logarithm into many different pieces and bringing down all the exponents. Combining logarithms is to go the opposite direction, which means that we take several logarithms and we turn them into one logarithm. All of the tricks that worked with expanding logarithms, right, are log expanding tricks. Factors from the numerator, they became positive when we expanded. Factors from the denominator became negative when we expanded. So going in the reverse direction, anything that's positive will go back in the numerator. Anything that's negative will go back in the denominator. And then numbers out front become exponents, right? 3 becomes the exponent on W. 3 halves becomes the exponent on 6 minus W. 8 becomes the exponent on Y. So it's just the reverse of expanding. Here are the rules kind of written in the opposite direction, right? So multiplication, addition becomes multiplication, minus becomes division. It's really just that anything subtracted goes in the denominator. So let's do a few of these. So with this is log base B. They're all log base B. That's important. They all have to be the same base for us to do this. Right? In the numerator, this term is positive, so this is going to the numerator. And this term is positive, so it'll go to the numerator. This term right here will go to the denominator. I'm pretty sure that I reversed these colors because I'm pretty sure that I did blue for numerator and green for denominator, so I should stay consistent there. All right, so this 1/4 would get brought back up to the exponent on x. So this would be x to the 1/4 power in the numerator. Positive, so it's in the numerator. 1/4 was out front, so that's the exponent. Here, the 6 would come back up, so it would be y to the 6th. Positive means numerator. 6 out front means that's the exponent. So this is y to the 6th. All over the one term that's in the denominator. There are no numbers to bring out, so it's just a z. And that's our answer. It's our complete answer. You don't need to rewrite the 1/4 as a radical. You can just leave it the way it is. Bam. Took something separated and brought it all together. On this next one, we're going to be bringing the 3 up as an exponent. We'll be bringing the 4 up as an exponent. Let's see, this guy's positive, so he'll go in the numerator. And then the other two are negative, so they'll both go in the denominator. This is log base 2. Here, we're going to have an x plus 6 cubed. X plus 6 cubed in the numerator because it's a positive term. And positives go in the numerator. Everything else is in the denominator. So we have this guy here, x minus 14. There's no exponent, so it's just x minus 14. For the next one, we have x raised to the 4th because the 4 comes up. Now, I don't like x to the 4th to be written last. Just conventionally, mathematically, we would write x to the 4th first. If you have a single variable, they come before factors with multiple terms in them. So the mathematician in me is just going to fix that. Bam, there's our answer. Not that you would get it wrong if you wrote it that way, it just looks better. That was very clearly not a circle, though I appreciate it. There we are. If there's parentheses, you're going to want to distribute and simplify, use algebra before combining. So this minus 2, I'm going to go ahead and distribute to both of them. So we have 3 ln y minus 2 ln w plus 4 ln x. Right, so numerator because it's positive, numerator because it's positive, denominator because it's negative. This is going to become ln of y cubed. So this 3 comes up, and this 4 comes up, and this 2 comes up. So let's see, the 2 ln w, that part is the denominator, 4 ln x. So it's x with an exponent of 4. In the denominator, because of his minus sign, I have w squared. And bam. All right. For this last one, distribute. Distribute the 1/3. Goes to everybody. Do it before you do anything else. So we have 1/3 log A minus 1/3 times 3 is just 1. So it'll be just log B minus 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. So 2/3 log C. And 6 times 1/3 is 2. So plus 2 log D. Exponents come up if there is one. Positive terms go in the numerator. And negative terms go in the denominator. So we have log. In the numerator, we have a to the 1/3 and d squared. In the denominator, b doesn't have an exponent, so it's just b, and then c to the 2/3. And that's that. It really is just the reverse direction of the expansion. And with the tricks, I really think it makes it super manageable. So I highly suggest doing some practice on these. They're not bad, but if you have questions, send me an email. In terms of properties of logarithms, that is all we have to talk about here. So we'll be moving on to logarithmic and exponential equations in the next section, which is a lot of fun, and then applications. So if you have questions, email me. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.